Sunflower design goes engraved. This sunflower design has been one of my go-to favorites for sublimation. Honestly, it's a bestseller. I've used it on candles for birthdays, sympathy gifts, and encouragement pieces, and every time it brings a sense of joy and warmth. Now we're giving it a new twist, engraving. As always, I start by downloading the design as a transparent PNG. Then I upload it to my laser design software and prep it for engraving. For this project, I'm engraving on my 14-ounce glass vessel. So here are the settings I'm using. Design height 90 millimeters to perfectly fit the vessel. Dithering, default setting. Laser type 450 nanometers diode. Resolution 4K for maximum detail. Power 100. Depth 8, my default for engraving glass. This setup gives me a crisp, detailed sunflower that catches the light just right, like glass etching with a modern edge. I love how the engraving turned out, but pouring white wax just wouldn't do it justice. To bring out those beautiful details, I'm going with a blue wax, using dye from Flaming Candle. I've used both their liquid dyes and chips, and honestly, both perform beautifully. They give rich, even color and still burn clean. Win-win for both design and performance. I am using Black Tie Barn's Fresh Flower Bed fragrance from their Raised Garden collection. There are my thoughts. The moment you light this candle, you're greeted with a fresh, airy scent that instantly lifts the room. There's a soft floral vibe. I can definitely detect the honeysuckle and jasmine that feels both nostalgic and romantic, like a quiet walk through a blooming garden just after a gentle rain. As the candle continues to burn, the fragrance deepens into something warmer and more grounded. It wraps you in a cozy, elegant embrace, subtle and soothing, like a soft breeze through an open window on a sunny afternoon. Overall, this is the kind of scent that transitions beautifully from day to evening. It's fresh and calming, with just the right touch of warmth to make any space feel peaceful and refined. For someone like me who loves blue flowers, this one turned out even better than I imagined. The details glow through beautifully. Between the engraving, the rich blue color, and the vessel itself, it's just stunning. This one's already spoken for, but I can't wait to make more. Hey candle artists, help me spread the word. Share our YouTube channel with your fellow makers. I believe every candle artist should have sublimation and engraving in their creative tool chest. Let's build a community where candles become art. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing, and I'll see you next time on The Candle Artist Way.